Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Memories, of course, it's not a touristic visit to Goa. It's a spiritual visit to Goa. And I take memories once again of the image of the relics of St. Francis Xavier. I've been to Rome and seen the hand of St. Francis Xavier. And the way I come here, we all come here, to give thanks to pay tribute to St. Francis Xavier, who brought the faith, the gift of faith to our ancestors, brought the gift of faith, the knowledge of Jesus, the knowledge of Christianity, helped us to ancestors. I come from the village of Orani, where St. Francis Xavier and collaborators had come that very beginning time in South Goa. So they remember his visits over there. So memories are fond, spiritual, and I really am deeply impressed with the organizational excellence of both the church authorities and the ecclesiastical authorities led by Cardinal Philip Ferrao and Bishop Simao, but also the government's assistance. It was done last time too. I was impressed deeply last time. I remember meeting government officials who had explained to me a little bit of the preparation, the Chief Minister himself, Mr. Parikar. This time I found it even better.